Hello friends, good morning. Very warm welcome to another video with SD. मैं हूं SD Shanando Das, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. In this video, this is a regular video that I do. In this video, I'm going to take a look at banks. Banking stocks आप जानते हैं बहुत बढ़िया होता है trading के लिए, so I'm going to keep a look at banks. और ऊपर से PSU banks are, or a PSU as a segment is showing some comeback. So I want to check which are the banks which are showing strength. हम लोग साथ साथ देखेंगे with my fountain of gold setup, which is if you go to invite only SD Rainbow Wave version 1 and SD RSI X, दोनों मिला के we will get the fountain of gold setup. Now, first we'll start with the private bank. And private bank AU Small Finance Bank, we are going to take a look at the weekly chart. And since we are into stocks, we'll go to cash stocks weekly setup for selecting whether the stock is satisfying our criteria or not. Based on that, we'll see. So overall, what I'm seeing AU Finance, it says broadly marginally satisfying our criteria. We need a 70 score. It has it. Obviously, we will not jump to trade because in our trading time frame, which is the daily chart, we are clearly seeing momentum is off this stock. So we are not at all interested in this stock going into, but this can remain in our list still as the score, RS status, and speed. These three are satisfying along with any of the TMP phase. Next, we are looking at Axis Bank. Axis Bank is trying to make a comeback. I don't have a full green candle, so we'll avoid Axis Bank. Only will put a signal, what? Rainbow buy signal. Currently, which is a sell theme is prevalent. Rainbow buy theme jab aa jayega, we'll look at it. Bandhan Bank, the buy signal, the comeback, all the thing we have seen. But as I said, we are not yet ready to fire anything towards Bandhan Bank yet. As the score, speed, strength and speed are not there. Then we are looking at CSB Bank with this kind of color. Obviously, you know what to do. That CSB Bank is something you don't want to buy, right? And City Union Bank with this kind of candle, that means we don't want to do anything. Our score is not satisfying. Momentum is fading. So we don't want to remain in this stock or the DCB Bank. It doesn't take much time with Fountain of Gold. Background red candle, price action bearish. I don't want to be Dhanalakshmi. Same with Equitas Small. See, last time also I said will not be there. And now it is going down further. And in a market that is reaching record high. So you don't want to remain in a stock like this and waste your money. You want to remain in a stock which is in the gem phase and you find it with the rainbow setup. Now this is not good. 67, speed is not there. Next is Pino Payments Bank. Pino Payments Bank, last time it was in my list. This time it will not be because the ST Momo short-term momentum is bearish. Then we are looking at HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, given a good structure, trying to break out, could break out. Thoda strength is missing. Keep a close check. Rest other criteria, everything is satisfying except the strength. So keep a check with the strength. Whenever it comes back, HDFC could be a good buy. That is crossing up. I've done when it's going above this level. 17, say 66, I'll be alerted. And if I look at the daily chart, HDFC taken a pause. See, natural correction could be. Once it is coming back into strength, then only I'll be look for again buying opportunity. Currently, it has taken a struggle. Short-term momentum has turned bearish. So you want to place price action bullish alert. You want to select SD Rainbow Asset Master and you want to do price action bullish alert with HDFC. So it is still not there in the list, but it is close by. And then we have ICICI Bank. This is broadly was satisfying our list. In daily, we are seeing marginal correction. ICICI Bank will remain in our list as it is satisfying the criteria. We are looking at IDBI with the sell signal. No way, I'm not into this stock. IDFC, same story, not ready. एक मिनट में नहीं लगता स्टॉक को समझने में. नाउ वी हैव अ बाय सिग्नल. इसको ज्यादा समझना. ज्यादा मतलब क्या? स्ट्रेंथ स्कोर चाहिए 70. करंटली इट इज 63. इफ आई मेक दिस लार्ज यू विल बी एबल टू सी दिस. The strength score is 63, and since if I bring the momentum, it gets crossed. So I usually keep it small, but it's visible that stock strength score is not there. So it is not a stock we'll choose. Same Jammu and Kashmir, a full green candle, maybe early come back, not interested. I were interested only when the stock is in gem phase. A gem phase is the phase where the stock goes up fast and up, with more lower on the risk on the lower side. Same Karur Vaisa, no point remaining here. Background turned neutral, score not satisfying. Kotak was attempting to go back. A lot of early signals are coming up. Axis Bank gave an early the alert जो हम लोग place किए थे. Axis Bank giving a full green candle. It is a pre-market start is about happening. That's why it is firing up, but we need to wait till closing because it's a Monday, especially if you are entering for the first time. Suryodaya, no, largely fail. So majority नहीं, Axis को नजर में रखते हैं. Axis को भी डाल देते हैं यहाँ पे. Let's put it in the flag. तमिलनाडु मर्का बैंक, इसमें कमबैक और बेस बनाना हम लोग देखे थे, बताए थे विल नॉट गो इनटू इट, and thankfully we did not. Tamil Nadu Marka has fallen since the buy signal. Ujjivan, so buy signal is just a mechanical. When you add more pinch saw into it, then you get better trades. Buy signal in the rainbow setup is a major good signal, but it's a guidance. It takes time at times. Sometimes it fails also. Yes Bank, see the buy. So we have to look at other factors to understand how strong the buy signal is. Now what we are doing, looking at PSU Bank. Do we कुछ come back? Maybe in future it will come. Bank of Baroda can go for earlier buy signal. We'll have to keep a check on Bank of Baroda, but not yet ready, far, far away. It's a comeback, no doubt. PSU banks are having a comeback. So in PSU banks, we are interested which one is stronger in the comeback. So Bank of India, no, it's Bradley, but it is an important level, no doubt. It's an important level pair. Psychologically important 100, but that's not enough reason to buy. Maybe a tracker, maybe one stock does not matter, 100 rupees, but that's a tracker. That's not a trade. Kannada Bank is coming back. So with the PSU comeback, Kannada is showing strength. We'll have to see how it goes with Kannada. Still no buy signal yet. Same, those PSU banks showed some strength. Central Bank, no. Largely PSU have been in red. So this is a dead cat bounce. लग रहा है देखिए कोई strong नहीं. Indian Bank, not ready. जैसा मुझे चाहिए. I don't ask you anyone to follow me. You should not follow me. You should make up your own mind for trading. You should not listen to others and trade. This video is helpful to those who use this rainbow setup. This setup is used by a lot of people. So here we have IOB. No point. जब कोई stock खराब, will not look at it. It doesn't matter how cheap it is. We don't want cheap stock. We want beautiful rising stock. Cheap stock, we don't want. We don't care about cheap stocks. PSB, at an important level, but we don't care about levels. At that level, I have to see some comeback. Level alone is meaningless. What is happening around that level, that is more important. How the distribution, accumulation, these are happening. This is once again State Bank of India, UCO Bank. जहां भी देख रहे हैं comeback दिख रहा है, but not enough to buy. कुछ जगह पे comebacks दिख रहा है, but nowhere it's enough to buy. Which are promising for the coming future maybe, but nothing right now looks strong on the public sector banking side. Majority are not there to buy. Private sector maybe AU small. Let's have a quick look. It is not satisfying now. The score is gone. Let's remove it. Axis Bank is, the score is not there. Remove it, but Axis keep a check with the alert. Alert इस्तेमाल कीजिएगा. Strength score जैसे ही greater than 70 होगा will be alerted. So this is ICICI Bank, lost some speed. Weekly chart. So obviously without the speed ICICI will not be considered. So majority banking stocks जो मुझे दिख रहे हैं, they are largely, none of them are seems to be so great. तो banking space में ज्यादा पैसा डाल के फायदा नहीं. Even though actually we saw this was important to me in a sense. In my sector rotation, we have seen that there was a comeback. If we look at through the daily chart, and there was an early comeback in the public sector enterprise segment, and you see the buy signal. And also some PSU banks are also showing some bounce back. So I wanted to see if there are certain stocks which are gaining more prominence while the sector is just giving upward thrust. Currently, none of the stocks in this particular sector is looking that awesome that I have to jump the gun to buy it. Some are preparing, some are promising for future, but nothing very too attractive right now. But once again, you should not listen to anyone and trade. You should listen to yourself, your method, whatever method you have borrowed. But based on rules, you should make your decisions, not based on what others are giving out their ideas on, including me. These are my videos to guide the setup users जो regular इस setup को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So all the best to you from my side, and as always, happy trading.